Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Slack OAuth for mobile workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process with Slack OAuth, you first need to create a Slack app. Visit the Slack API website and log in with your Slack account. Once logged in, click on your apps in the top right corner. Select Create New App and choose from scratch. Provide a name for your app and select the workspace where it will be installed. After creating the app, you'll be redirected to the app settings. In the left sidebar, navigate to the OAuth and Permissions section. Under Redirect URLs, add the URL where users will be directed after authorization. Next, scroll down to Scopes and add the necessary permissions your app requires. Once you've set your scopes, save the changes. Now, locate the Install App section in the left sidebar. Click on Install to Workspace and follow the prompts to authorize your app. After installation, note the client ID and client secret from the Basic Information section. With this information, you can now implement the OAuth flow in your mobile application. In your mobile app, initiate the OAuth flow by directing users to the Slack authorization URL. This URL will include your app's client ID, requested scopes, and the redirect URL. Once users grant permission, they will be redirected back to your specified URI with an authorization code. Capture the authorization code from the redirect. Now, make a post request to Slack's token endpoint using your client ID, client secret, and authorization code. This step will exchange the code for an access token. If successful, you'll receive a JSON response containing the access token. Store this access token securely for future API requests. You can now use the access token to make authorized API calls on behalf of the user. Testing your setup is crucial to ensure everything functions correctly. Check Slack's API documentation for any further details on using the access token effectively. Congratulations, you have now successfully set up Slack OAuth for your mobile workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.